Okay, so I've had some people that want to see the new house, even though it's not done. So I'll do a video now, and I'll do another one when it's done. So this is the front door. We've got a mirror to hang here. We have a lot to do. So there's gonna be a big mirror here, and then some Western crosses. And then we have a moose lamp that's gonna go there. That's Grandma's lamp. That's going in my bedroom. Of course, you know we have dead stuff on the wall. And a cute picture of my go-go man, my dog, and my husband. And let's see. So we kind of have this area done, I think, unless we replace the table. But that is an elk antler and a deer antler from when we lived in the mountains in Colorado. And then I love this verse, had to have this print, which I thought went well there. We've got a wood flag, American flag, to hang there, ordered. Lots of stuff going on. Tables will be replaced when the new leather furniture arrives. The leather furniture is like 20 weeks out. If you've bought any furniture recently, then you know nothing is getting done quickly. We got my new rug last week, loving the cowhide rug. Kind of cool. The cat loves it, of course. So we will have a new leather sofa, love seat chair, and my friend that makes leather, Jenny Cunningham, she's making leather pillows for me, so they're gonna be cool. Here's some of the crosses that will hang on the wall over by the door. And I think we're gonna put a bookcase back here. Obviously we need some blinds still. This table is not staying in this room. I think we're gonna put a rug and a couple rocking chairs there. It's gonna kind of be like our coffee area for the morning. And since we have this nice big bar or island, that's where I've been working all morning. I don't have my office and my fitness room done yet. That should be done in about a month. And then I will work there. Coffee bar is super fun. We did not put a sink in the coffee bar because the sink is 10 feet away and we're not lazy. But it's really nice. I love having the drawers full of the Keurig cups and then the storage for all the coffee. Love this sign. Gotta show this off. My friend made this for us. So we're not gonna go downstairs because it's just an unfinished basement where I kind of have a little makeshift studio set up to film workouts in my dungeon. Kitchen. Still have like all kinds of crap on the counter over there because we're hanging pictures and just doing stuff. And let's see. So I love this little mud area. We can walk in, put our shoes. I keep my gym bag down there. In the winter, we'll be able to hang coats here. Coat closet. That's the garage. And laundry room. My husband is a clean freak fanatic and does not like anything skiffed, so he even bought little rugs for the top of our new washer and dryer because can't have a scratch on them. So, not making fun. I do appreciate that man. He makes sure everything stays very nice. And let's see. I love the pantry. Love the pantry. And if there's anything not healthy in here, it's not mine, so I don't want to hear about it. But love all this storage. All the storage space. I still have lots of space I can fill up here. So I've got like 3 boxes of Pampered Chef I've bought over the last few years to open because I didn't cook much at the other house, but I plan to cook a lot here. Let's go, let's see. So this side of the house is the guest bathroom. We have towels on order and a new rug on order that will go with more of like the cowboy Indian theme. And we just had this glass shower door put on. So this shower actually kind of matches the other shower. We did everything in the house matching. I love the counter so much. Yo, a daisy if you do. So I love the counter so much that my quartz that I put it throughout. And my little cowboy boots, aren't they fun? They're little vases. That's our guest bathroom. And this will be a guest room. Not done yet. We gotta get this all put together, set up, but blinds in here are needed. We still have a lot to do, as you can see. When we moved in, we've probably slept 2 nights in 2 weeks because we've had a cat that was crying a lot. This will be the den. So we just ordered a couch for this room. And then this computer desk and stuff is gonna go down in my office when it's done. And then we'll put a big TV in here, and this will kind of be the hangout. So anyway, yeah, so we had a crying cat for several nights. And then we had, we had this flap in the vent right up here that it's very windy in Cheyenne, and so the wind would catch the flap and it would flap and bang all night. So my husband put a stop to that. And we just bought this print the other day. We really like it. Very fun. Now into my bedroom. So then then our AC, brand new house AC went out, and it's unseasonably hot here. And so we didn't have AC for a few nighs. Trust me, I'm not complaining. I feel very, very blessed. But our first 2 weeks here in Cheyenne, anything going wrong, really, I didn't have anything to do with Cheyenne. It just was stuff going wrong. So this is our bedroom. We just ordered a print for over the bed. We have a lot to do in here. Side tables to buy or have made because we want them to match the wood on the bed. And we have to keep the bed kind of unfolded because our cat's new thing since we moved is, I hear you. She hides under the covers all day. Hello, let's say hi. You come on, say hi. I'm gonna feed you when I'm done. You say hi. So this is where she hangs out, and the TV is actually on for her. She does watch TV, it's kind of funny. And we bought her this big dog bed that she has no interest in. Let's see what else. So in this room, like the rest of the house, we'll kind of have a Western cowboy theme. Bathroom. Love the bathroom. So I need to get a tissue cover, and we have a print that I love that's gonna hang there over the tub. And then here is this I guess they call it a wet room. I call it a shower, but it's a wet room. But it's got the rain shower, and then you can, if you want to sit down and wash yourself, you can get all freaky if you want. That's what I heard. But anyway, the wet room's kind of nice. And again, matching quartz. And love my tub. Gotta love a tub that covers your boobs and knees at the same time. So I'll show you the print that's gonna hang there because it's in my closet. And this is the last of the house. So here is my closet. So this is the print. There's the print that's gonna hang over the tub. Super serene. Pull some blues in with the grays. And I've got a lot to do yet. So Tim gets this little bit of the closet. He's actually letting me have the rest of this that he's not using. I've never had to share a closet with him before, and I'm trying to get 3 rooms of closets worth of clothes in here. I don't know how it's going to happen. He told me the other day I still have 14 boxes of clothes in the garage that are not unpacked. And he's wrong because some of those are boots, shoes, and purses. So 9 or 10 boxes of clothes left. I don't know, but I'm probably going to be donating a lot again because, you know, a girl can only wear so much. So this is where we are. I just saw my cat sneak in here, and she is not supposed to be in this room because she's the pukingest kitty ever. Come on, out. Come on. So I better go and get her out of this closet. But this is my new digs, and thanks for checking it out with me.